I really hope this basically gives me new skin. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am extremely excited to bring this video to you guys today because I am a skincare junkie. So if you don't know who I am, hello, hi, how's it going? My name is Anika and I'm an American living in London, and I am a slight beauty addict. I mean, maybe not slight, maybe actually a beauty addict, and I love a good bargain. So if you guys like good bargains and you love beauty and skincare, then stick around till the end of this video. So for today, I am going to be unboxing the Cult Beauty Skin Essentials Kit. Now, for those of you guys that don't know what Cult Beauty is, it is an online retailer and they sell everything from hair care, makeup, beauty, self-care, you name it, they have it all. And what I absolutely love about Cult Beauty is every month or every few months, they come out with a kit just like this. Well, not just like this, but similar to this, where you can get a ton of products in a beauty box. And in this box, usually you get something that is 4, maybe 5 times the actual value if you were to pay for these products individually. Now this is the Skin Essentials edit from Cult Beauty. This usually retails for over £224 if I were to buy all the individual products in this box individually. But because I got it in the special edit, this only cost me £45. So ultimately, it's like, if you girl math that, it is basically free at this point. If I buy one product from this box, I'm basically getting everything for free. And today I'm going to unbox it for you. Now, currently this box is not for sale on Cult Beauty anymore. Whenever Cult Beauty comes out with their Edit Essentials or any of their boxes, they are limited time edition and they only have a certain number of quantity of them. So basically you have to get your hands on it as quickly as possible. And once you order it and they sell out, that's it. They don't bring them back in stock for, honestly, I've tried to get old boxes back in stock and they never actually come back in stock. But like I said, Cult Beauty lists one of these edits or boxes every few months. So honestly, if you didn't get a hand on this one, you will probably get your hands on something else. Most of the boxes are anywhere from 30 to 50 pounds, depending again what's inside of the box. But I will unbox this for you today, and if you are interested in any of the products that I mentioned in today's video, please make sure to check the description because I will link everything in this box down below. Also, if you are enjoying videos like this and you want to see more content from me about unboxing or talking about my skincare favorites or any of my beauty obsessions, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know to create more content like this for you in the future. Now, what I love about Cult Beauty is their actual boxes are such good quality. I think with a lot of the other beauty boxes, they are kind of like throwaway cardboard boxes. But what I love about Cult Beauty's boxes is they are very durable, and because of that, I get to actually reuse these boxes again and again. I use them for storage purposes. I put things in it. I sometimes store my extra beauty products in it. So I really love that they actually think about the reusability of this box. So it is a plain white box with Cult Beauty just here on the side. But again, a very durable box, which I think is great for recycling or if you want to use it, again, for things around your house, very, very durable. Right, here is inside of the box. So you can see what comes in the box itself. And the first thing I'm actually seeing is not something I'm expecting, but it is a Recycle Me bag. How good is that? This is a rinse your empty products and remove any extra residue. Fill this free post envelope with your empty products and seal carefully. Place the envelope in your nearest post box and we will take care of the rest. I absolutely love that. It's a free post, so it's absolutely free to ship. And what's really great is you can recycle all your old beauty products. I'm totally gonna keep this because there are so many beauty products that you can't actually recycle, like aerosol tins or just some specific glass bottles. And I do a lot of recycling through like Boots recycling scheme, but to be honest, it is nice to have something just at home that I can throw all my empties into, and then it gets recycled properly, because a lot of times when you recycle your beauty items in a actual recycling bin, they don't recycle them. It actually ends up in a landfill because they cannot recycle it. So I love that they're doing this. Great job, Cult Beauty. So now what's really inside the box is you will see here all of the products that are in this box. Again, this box is actually worth over £224 if you were to buy all of the products individually. So the first thing that I see here is actually the Cult Beauty muslin cloth. And this is Let me just open it up so you can see it as well. Yeah, this is a dual-sided muslin cloth, so it is to wash your face, and I think this is a great addition to your bathroom. And what's great is it has a little hook here, so you can actually probably hook it in the shower or next to your sink. You can never have enough of these. What's really, really great about this is that it really helps get all of your makeup off, meaning any residue will actually come off with this cloth. The thing is, you can never get them white again. Do you have any tips on how to keep your white cloths white? Leave a comment down below if you do. Oh, and if you were to buy these individually from Cult Beauty, you would get a pack of 3, and 3 of these would retail for 16 pounds. The next thing in the box is the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. Now, I love the Glow Recipe. I absolutely love that they use fruit extracts and natural products within their skincare. This is actually the main reason I bought this box, because I wanted to try this out, and I've heard nothing but good things about this, and this is the reason I bought this box. And if you were to actually buy this individually, this would be 43 pounds. So just buying this alone, I would basically get everything else for free. So that is exactly why I bought this box, is because I buy one product and I get everything else at this point of this box for free. So I'm really keen to try this out and to see if it actually helps with my dark spots. Now, the next product is a cult favorite. I actually already use this product, and this is a travel size, which is great. It's just 20 grams. And this is the ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Cleansing Balm, and I actually have the full size in my bathroom right now, but this is 20 grams. The full size would retail for 48 pounds, which would be 100 grams of this, but this is so cute, so little, and I feel like it's perfect for traveling. This is really, honestly, the best way to get your makeup off. When you use this as your pre-cleanse or your first cleanse, it really does remove all sorts of makeup and any traces of oil, and it's just such a good cleansing balm, and honestly the best in the market. Now, the next thing in the box is something that I've actually gotten in a previous Cult Beauty edit, and it is another reason why I purchased this box, and it is the Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream from Sunday Riley. And I absolutely love Sunday Riley products, but especially this product is amazing because it is actually a very thick night cream. So I love this product because in the winter my skin naturally gets a little bit more dry, and this is such a thick and moisturizing night cream. I couldn't recommend it enough. I've just actually finished my last bottle of this and I had to get another one. Like I said, this is a full-size product, and when you buy this on its own, you would actually be paying so much more than the price of this box. Now, moving on to the next product, which is an Allies of Skin product. I have never actually tried this brand of skincare, but it is extremely pricey when it comes to these products, and I have heard nothing but great things about them, so I'm super excited to try this out. Now, this is actually a travel size product, so it's only 12 mils, so it is a very small size, but what is great about this is it is a peptides and antioxidant firming cream, and it is a perfect travel size, or it is a great moisturizer on the go. This says on here that it's step 4 treatment moisturizer, used daily AM and PM. So I'm really excited to try out this skincare brand. I have never actually tried them before, and again, I've heard nothing but great things. So, and if you were actually to get the full-size version of this, it would be 121 pounds, which is insane. I really hope this basically gives me new skin. Now, the next product is an essence, and I have never actually tried an essence before. I have heard that essences are really, really great part of your skincare routine. It is a big part in Korean skincare, but this is by Ren, and it's a perfect canvas, smooth prep and plump essential essence, and it is suitable for sensitive skin. And what is great about essences, like I said, is it is a great pre-step to any moisturizer. And if you were to buy this in the full-size version, which this one is, you get 100 mils, and it is 43 pounds. And this is proven to smooth skin texture and help protect from pollution. I'm very excited to see how this will work. I've never used an essence, but I'm all about smoothing out my texture of my skin. I used to have a lot of acne, and I still get a lot of spots, so I have very textured skin. So I am trying to do everything to help with my dark spots and help with the texture of my skin. So I'm curious to see if this works for me. Now, the next product is Dr. Barbara Strum's hyaluronic acid. And this is a very, very small 3 milliliter or 0.1 fluid ounce container. I have tried their products before. Cult Beauty tends to put a lot of these products into the boxes, but they're always so tiny. I think it's because they're extremely pricey at the full price or at the full size, so they never give you a full size, but they're absolutely teeny tiny. Like, look how tiny this little bottle is. And this is a hyaluronic serum, so great for moisturizing and adding on as a step before moisturizing, but it is so teeny tiny. And guess what? The actual full size of this is 85 pounds. That's crazy. But this is obviously a small sample. I'm excited to try it. I think their products are great, but again, very pricey, and I'm happy to try the little teeny samples, but they're so teeny tiny. Anyways, guys, that is everything that you can find in the Cult Beauty Skin Essentials edit. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you new ideas and things to shop for within your skincare routine. If you do want to know any of the products, it will all be linked below. I also have a discount code for Cult Beauty down in the description if you would like that. And if you do want to see more videos like this, and make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and then turn on the bell notification so you know exactly when my next video is going live. Right, guys, I hope you have an amazing day wherever you are in the world, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye!